everyone, let me show you how to apply Mylee Gel Nail Wraps for a glossy manicure that can last up to 14 days. Before we begin, I'm going to show you every product you need so you can be super organised before you start. First up, we have the Mylee 2-in-1 Nail Prep and Wipe Solution paired with the Mylee Lint-free wipes. We have the Mylee Metal Cuticle Pusher and the curved scissors. We also have a pack of Mylee double-sided nail files. These come in a 180 and 240 grit. We also have the Mylee Cuticle Remover, and I will also be showing you how to safely remove your gel wraps, and for that you will need the Mylee Wrap Remover Oil. Like with any manicure, prep is everything, and dare I say the most important step. I'm starting with clean and completely dry hands, and I'm taking the Mylee 240 grit nail file and I'm shaping my nails. As you can see in the clips above, I hold my file to a slight angle to hit the underneath areas of my nail. This creates a really nice even base and shape for the wraps to cling to. Once you're happy with the shape of your nails, I'm going in with the same file and I'm lightly buffing the surface of my nail plate. This removes any shine and it will ensure that you get the best retention. My best advice for this step is to not do it too heavy-handedly. You want to apply just enough pressure so your nails then appear matte, as you can see on my thumb here. Next, apply some of your Mylee Cuticle Remover around the base of each nail. I like to let this absorb for about a minute, sometimes even longer if you've got really stubborn cuticles, and then you can go ahead with pushing them back. This step makes such a huge difference because any cuticles left on the nail plate could stop the wraps from adhering properly. I really suggest massaging this into your nail plate and around that cuticle area, and then for any stubborn areas you can use the Mylee Metal Cuticle Pusher to remove any excess skin and create a really clean canvas. As you can see here, I'm just using the flat end of the Mylee Metal Cuticle Pusher to just scrape away any dead skin that may still be on the nail plate. As you can see here, it just creates a gorgeous canvas, and this is where you're going to get the best retention. I really suggest taking your time with this, as like I said, it is the most important step. Once you're happy with your prep and you feel as if though your nails look something like this, we can then go in with our Mylee Lint-free wipes soaked in the Mylee Prep and Wipe solution. This is amazing because it removes dusts, oils, and anything else that can affect the wear time of your manicure. One of my top tips for this step is to fold one of the Mylee Lint-free wipes into a quarter. Again, soak that with the solution, and then you can use this to get as close to that cuticle area as possible, almost lifting up that pocket. And then when you apply the wraps, you are going to get the most seamless application, and it will be as close to your cuticle as possible. At this point, your nails should look something like this, nice and matte with no oils, dust or shine, and then you are ready to go ahead with the wrap application. Now, dare I say, time for the fun part. We get to pick our design. Mylee actually have over 100 different colours and designs on their wraps, which is amazing. Today I'm choosing the design Connect the Dots, which is this gorgeous white polka dot design on a gorgeous nude base. Something that can be quite fiddly when it comes to this step is choosing the right size for each nail. If you are in between two sizes, my top tip is to always opt for the slightly smaller size. That way you can actually stretch out the wraps to make them fit. It's much better doing this than choosing a size that is too big for your nail, as if it touches any skin or there's an overhang at all, it's just going to lift and you won't get the best wear. Peel the wrap away from the backing, trying to only touch the end that won't be sitting on the nail. Position it as close to your cuticle as possible without it touching the skin, and then press it down from the centre outwards. Here you can really firm up your pressure to make sure they're really sitting comfortably and securely on your nail, and I like to use my thumb to really press around the edges and make sure everything is sealed nicely. Once the wrap is fully applied, trim away the excess using the Mylee curved edge nail scissors. Then I'm using a Mylee 180 grit nail file, and I'm very gently filing underneath the free edge, just in one direct motion only. My top tip for this is not to go in a seesaw motion, which means you're going back and forth on the wrap, as this is going to completely distort the shape of it. So remember to just file in one direction only. This step is super important because it helps remove any remaining excess and creates a super seamless finish. I am then just going ahead and repeating the same process across my whole hand. Again, position it as closely to my cuticle as possible without it touching my skin at all, and I'm pressing it down super firmly. I like to start in the centre and work my way out, and this is going to ensure that you're getting rid of any tiny little air bubbles that are trapped underneath that are going to affect your retention. As you can see, I'm going back in with the Mylee curved edge scissors to trim away the excess. My top tip for this step is to flip your hand the other way so you can see underneath your nail and trim away the excess so it's as flush to your nail plate as possible. This is really going to make your filing process a lot easier for you, and you will get the most seamless finish. Then going back in with the Mylee nail file, I do often flip between both sides, so using the 180 grit as well as the 240 grit, depending on the strength and pressure that I need, and just again filing in one direction only to create the most seamless finish on your wraps. Really take your time with this step because it's really going to elevate the look. Just repeat this process across all nails until you are completely happy with the application of the wraps and the shape of them. I will say, if you absolutely nail the process where you trim away the excess, you should notice that you don't need to file too much away. But again, just take your time, ensure you're super happy with them. At this point, I like to really go back and forth between the nails to make sure they're all as symmetrical as possible, because again, this is going to elevate your look and it's going to ensure it looks like you've got a salon quality manicure. My top tip for aftercare that is so important that you follow is to try your best to avoid water, hand creams or cuticle oils for at least 2 hours after application. This gives the wraps the best chance to fully adhere and to maximise your wear time. And that is it, a super quick manicure with a glossy salon-inspired finish, no drying time, no lamp required, no smudging, and up to 14 days wear. As absolutely gorgeous as this look is, the beauty of the Mylee Gel Nail Wraps is you can change the look whenever you fancy. So when you are ready for a change, removal is just as easy, and I'm going to show you how. It's a super easy and safe removal process that isn't going to damage your natural nails at all if you follow these tips and tricks. I begin by using a Mylee wooden cuticle stick, which by the way does come with the wraps, and I use that to gently lift up the one side of the wrap. Then I go ahead by using the Mylee Wrap Remover Oil, and I just kind of cover the edges of the wrap with this solution, let it absorb for a couple of seconds, and then go back in with the Mylee wooden cuticle stick and just ever so slightly and super gently lift up the wrap, and you'll notice it will just naturally peel away with no damage at all. You can honestly see how easy and hassle-free this removal process is. Then I would just suggest giving your hands a good clean and using the Mylee cuticle oil to rehydrate those nails again. Massage that oil into your nails, and that is how to completely, safely and hassle-free remove your Mylee gel nail wraps at home. Let us know which design is your favourite, and don't forget to check out the full Mylee Gel Nail Wrap collection for even more styles.